Here's an update on the Billet Technology Catch Can. I got 8,281 miles. I'm changing the oil. I'm gonna take it out and show you what it caught. Completely full. So when you back this off, make sure you do it with a rag in your hand and do it slowly. As you can see, it's completely full with blow-by oil that would have went inside the engine and the intake valves, exhaust valves, and the upper piston. So as you can see, this works. Like I said, it only has 8,281 miles on it. So every oil change, you're gonna wanna change this out, always. Don't forget to do it. This is just another thing to remember to do. This is the oil that comes out. As you can see, is burnt dirt. It's like the oil that's in the bottom of the motor. So you don't want that going back into your motor on the top end. Like I said, clean this out good. This is what it looks like inside. It's just an empty canister, really. And the separator goes into the top through the hoses. Clean this out real good and you're good to go. You tighten this up like a regular oil filter, hand tight. This thing backed off, but I'm not gonna take the hoses out just so I can tighten this. So that's why you see it flopping around. So you tighten this up hand tight as tight as you can get it. And that's about it.